So, when you hear the word drone, you probably think of those cool, flying gadgets snapping amazing photos from way up high, right? Yeah, they've totally nailed the skies. But what about the deep ocean? That's a whole other level. What if I told you that by combining cutting-edge drone tech with nature's genius, we might finally explore the most mysterious, unexplored parts of the ocean? Drop your thoughts in the comments. This is exactly what two visionary scientists, Diana C. Hernández-Jaramillo from Southern Cross University in Australia and Rafael E. Vásquez from Universidad Pontificia Bolivariana, set out to accomplish. And here's the best part. Their groundbreaking research was only published a year ago. They've packed all their incredible findings into a paper titled Design of a Bio-Inspired Underwater Glider for Oceanographic Research. So, what exactly did these scientists do to bridge the gap between the skies and the deep ocean? To create their revolutionary underwater drone, Diana and Rafael didn't just go with the first idea that came to mind. They embarked on a deep dive into nature's most efficient underwater navigators. After countless hours of research, they found their answer, not in the speed of a shark or the cunning of an octopus, but in the graceful endurance of the leatherback sea turtle. These turtles dive deeper than most creatures on Earth, navigating the dark, cold depths with ease. Diana and Rafael thought, what if we could mimic this in a man-made device? Every detail was carefully considered, from the turtle's streamlined shape to the unique ridges on its shell, which help it glide effortlessly through water. They took these natural features and, using the latest in drone technology, translated them into the design of an underwater glider. They integrated advanced sensors and control systems, allowing the glider to navigate the deep ocean autonomously, just like a turtle instinctively knows where to go. So, what did they discover? Think of the ridges on the turtle's shell like the grooves on a car tire. Just as those grooves help the tire grip the road better in wet conditions, the turtle's ridges help it glide more efficiently through water. By incorporating these ridges into their glider design, they achieved a lift-to-drag ratio up to 2.2 times greater than a design without them. This wasn't just a tweak, it was a game-changer, significantly reducing the energy needed for the glider to move through water. This isn't just about a cool underwater drone. It's about what we can achieve when we really look at the world around us. If you're as excited as we are, hit that like button and subscribe to BioByte. We're all about exploring breakthroughs together, and we'd love to have you on board. Welcome to the BioByte crew. Let's learn, grow, and make an impact.